Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to fix the language in Crisis Core Final Fantasy Reunion. So if my controller fixed, apparently because I speak English, I only use the English version of the game. Obviously you've been having issues being able to change it back. This is the language fix for that. Simply we're going to go into here, language fix, engine, binaries, third party, Steamworks, Steam V151, Windows 64, but we're going through a lot. Steam settings. And in here, we're going to find the force language text. You're going to change it to whatever language you support right here. It has a list of supported languages. You'll pick one of them. Then we'll back up simply to engine, copy. After you've already changed the name of the language you're using. And now we'll simply paste. Was that simple enough for you guys? I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. That's literally it. I'll see you guys next time. I'll leave a link in the description, obviously, for the language fix. See you next time, guys.